Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable solo 401k funding with Guideline step by step clearly. To enable solo 401k funding with Guideline, start by visiting the Guideline website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Guideline account. Once logged in, navigate to the Plan section. Click on Create a new plan. Select the Solo 401k option from the available plans. Fill in the required business information, including your business name and tax identification number. Next, specify your contribution details, such as your desired contribution amount and frequency. Review the plan features and make any necessary adjustments. After confirming the details, click on Continue. Now, proceed to complete the necessary paperwork. This may include your operating agreement, plan document, and other regulatory forms. Once your documents are ready, upload them as instructed. After submission, wait for a confirmation email from Guideline. This email will confirm that your solo 401k plan is set up. Next, link your business bank account to fund your 401k. This is essential for making contributions directly to your plan. After linking your account, initiate your first contribution. Specify the amount and ensure it's within IRS limits. Confirm the transaction details and submit your contribution. Finally, monitor your solo 401k fund via the Guideline dashboard. You can track your contributions and investment performance from that point on. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.